Can you see my screen?
Yes, I can.
Let me connect to the system. Okay.
Okay.
So, how do you rate yourself in HR ABAP sim? Out of 5, 1
No
to 5.
rate.
So where do you stand? Yeah,
Myself, no rating.
no rating. Okay, you are basically a beginner, right?
Yes, yes.
Okay. And do you have experience, hands-on, like did you train on SAP ABAP or Core ABAP?
No, I didn't try. Actually, one of my friend
Okay,
working,
fine.
he told me, he actually guided me.
Hmm. Okay,
That's it.
okay. Hmm. Yeah. See, so this is the PPT. Actually, I will explain you and add the topics here so that you can refer later. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. I will tell the topics and also I will show you simultaneously in the SAP system. Okay.
Do you
Especially
have
so in
experience
SAP
in
HC. Yeah.
oops experience?
Yes,
Do
I
you have?
have. Yes.
Okay. So,
Okay. Let's
oops and
start the
everything
session.
will cover, right? In this section.
Yes. 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 Yes.
Okay.
Basically, we are more concentrating on the HR ABAP. So while doing the
Okay.
programs, we'll add those OOPS concepts also. So slowly
Okay.
we'll get into deeper. Okay.
Okay. Right.
So actually, what is SAP HCM? Do you know the abbreviation of HCM?
Yes. Human capital management.
Yes, human capital management. Okay, I think this is not required. Anyway, I will refer for you. So basically, why this SAP HCM? So for example, we have in SAP in different types of other modules, right? SAP SD, SAP
Yes.
MM, and SAP FI.
PP.
So yeah, production
Yeah.
planning and quality management. So many sub modules are there in SAP because in
Yes.
each and every area, SAP has implemented this. For example, sales and distribution. If you take sales and distribution, it is mostly related to the sales related side.
Okay.
Sales order creation, how many quantities they have ordered. If you see in Amazon, Flipkart, we will order the some products, right? So that
Yes.
is the front end side, but at the back end in the SAP side also the sales order related things are created. So that is the huge topic. So that's why SAP has created with separate model SAP SD. Similar to that,
Okay.
if you come to HCM, why? Because in the organization, for every employee, we need to maintain the data, right?
Okay.
His joining date, his resignation date, his address details. For example, if
Hmm.
we join in any company, they will have the initial formalities, right? Form filling. So
Okay.
there you have to provide the address details, phone number, family details, insurance details. So many things will be there, right? In the offer letter
Yes.
and
That's
also in
the
your
top.
joining
Okay.
formalities.
He will be taking
Yeah.
care of that, right? HCM candidate.
HCM, SAP HCM, if you the organization implemented SAP HCM, then they will upload all those details in SAP HCM. Okay.
Okay.
For example, if they don't implemented SAP, then they will add those details in any other third party tools like other tools. There are so many other tools are there. If they implemented SAP, then they will add those details in SAP HCM. Okay,
Okay.
so for example, when coming to submodules of SAP HCM, we have SAP PA. We have
Okay.
one submodule called SAP PA,
Okay. Personal administration.
personal administration.
Yeah.
Okay, and we have other submodule called SAP OM,
Organization management.
organizational management. Do you know about this?
I know little bit, not much.
Okay, and we are having SAP TM. That means
Time
time
management.
management.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, and then we have SAP PY. That
Payroll.
means payroll. Okay,
Okay.
so these are the main submodules of the SAP HCM. There are so many other submodules also.
Okay.
Okay, but we should have the strong knowledge on SAP PA. This is most important. SAP Personal Administration. If you
Okay.
know SAP Personal Administration, then 50% of the area you can cover.
Okay.
This is the most important. SAP Personal
Yeah.
Administration, main basic thing,
Hmm.
and you have to know all the concepts in SAP Personal Administration. And these
Okay.
organization management, in some organization, they will implement 10-20% only. That's it. Not much organization management. At
Hmm.
the beginning, configuration level only they will implement it, and then payroll. Payroll also, this one also important, because for all the employees in the organization, they need to run the payroll, right? They have to give
Payroll.
the
Right.
salaries to the employees, right?
Hmm.
So at the end of the month or end of the last 10 days of the month, they will have the payroll process. Okay,
Yes.
so these four modules you should have the knowledge in SAP HCM. Mostly
Okay.
SAP Personal Administration, you should have good knowledge, and SAP Organization Management, you should have at least some minimum knowledge. Payroll is also important. Time management after that. Okay,
Okay.
and if you check, there are some other models also, but just for your reference, just I am telling.
Okay.
Uh, like in some organization, they will implement recruitment module
Right.
also.
Yeah. Recruitment. Okay.
Recruitment, and also some they say e-recruitment also.
Yeah. What is that e-recruitment?
E-recruitment, for example, if the organization have job vacancies, like 50 positions are need to fill in the organization. Generally,
Okay.
you can see right in the company careers portal, they will post the job requirement details, right? How much any
Right.
experience
Yeah.
and what
Right.
is the location. So all these recruitment details, SAP also they have implemented a recruitment sub module. That means we have a separate submodule in SAP where all those
Hmm.
details will upload in recruitment. So this
Okay.
e-recruitment is the enhanced version of for this recruitment. This is the old naming
Works.
convention, and yeah, this is the e-recruitment is the new one. But
Okay.
all the organization, all the clients will not implemented these things.
No.
But
Mm-hmm.
basically, it depends on the client and their requirement. But anyway, any organization definitely they will implement SAP PA, SAP OM,
OM.
okay, SAP payroll.
Okay.
Time management, in some organization they will implement, they will not implement. Why?
Okay.
Because, for example, if you go to the office, at the beginning of the door, we will swipe the ID card, right? You
Yeah. Right.
remember?
Yeah.
Yeah. So when you swipe the ID card, so the clock in time, clock out time, where is the what is the in time, out time, all these details will be captured.
Yes. Right.
Okay, this can be implemented in SAP also. SAP has given the provision to read all those details in SAP time management, and
Okay. Some.
also if you see in thumb and bioprint,
Biometric.
biometrics, yeah, and we have some other. Not only in SAP, in some other third-party tools also, they will implement
Implemented.
all these details.
Okay.
Yeah. It depends. whether they if it SAP is costing more money to implement this SAP TM, then they will go for other third party tools.
Okay.
Okay, and so these are the main sub models. You should have the knowledge on these four modules.
Okay.
Okay, yeah, and coming to yes, in SAP HCM, you should know what is info type. Okay,
Hmm.
so do you know what is info type?
Info type means nothing but storing the data into tables.
Yeah,
Am I right?
but in a, yeah, you are correct. For example, in other modules also SAP SD, SAP MM, SAP FI, there also we are storing the data in tables, right?
Tables. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, then what is the difference? If what is the difference means in SAP HCM, we need the employee details. Okay,
Okay.
we need employee historical data,
Hmm.
historical data and current data. That means, for example, if the employee joined the organization and he worked for 4 years and 5 years and he resigned, okay,
Okay.
but we need the employee historical details like what is the payment, how much payment given to the employee, so what is the emergency address details of the employee, so all those details we need to store in the info types.
Okay.
So we need the employee historical data and current data also. So due to this reason, we will store the details of the employee in the info types. Basically, it is like grouping the related data fields together,
Okay.
all the data. For example, address details. Address, we have the personal family details also required, right? And also
Yes.
basic salary. Basic salary details also required. And then his bank details also required
Hmm.
in order to credit the salary into the employee account. Okay, and we need the organizational assignment, like in which organization they he belong to organizational assignment. Show you, see if you go, do you know the T codes or not?
I know little bit. I see 11.
Oh, okay, do you know PA20? PA20, no, HR
Personal
related
admin.
T codes.
Yeah. Yeah. Employee.
Yeah, okay, yeah. So if you see, if you go to the T code called PA20, okay,
Hmm.
PA20 is for display purpose. Okay,
Okay.
display HR master data.
Okay.
Okay, so we need employee historical data and current data, and we will store all the employee related data. That means master data. We will say master data. Okay,
Okay.
into the info types. So in technical terms, we will call it as master data. Keep in mind master data. Okay.
Okay.
So all the employee related data we will store into the info types. Okay. For
Okay.
example, if you see For address details, we will have the info type number. Okay, that is
Create a
PA0006. This is 6 is the address details.
yeah, personal data. Personal.
Yeah,
Yeah.
address details. Yeah, in personal administration, PA means personal administration. For family, PA0021 is the family details.
Yeah.
Okay, and then for
Family and dependent.
basics, yeah, basic salary is info 008.
Yes.
So PA is common. You should remember this number. And here we have the 4 digits here. Okay, you
Okay.
remember that 4 digits. PA
Yeah.
followed by
Zero
four
zero.
digits. Yeah, 000. Address is 6. So that's why you kept a 00 here. Family details is 21 and
20.
0021. And the
Mm.
basic salary is info type 8.
Yeah.
Okay, and then we have the bank details like PA009 bank
None.
details, and then organization and assignment is
One.
PA001. These are very important because we will use frequently these info types very frequently.
Okay.
Okay, and we have so many other info types also. Uh, we have PA000 4 zeros, that is
Okay.
actions.
Okay. Actions.
Okay, yeah, actions means I will show you here. If you go PA20, this is a display master data. Okay, here we will have the info types: actions, organization assignment, personal data, address details. You see right here.
Okay. Ah, yes.
So yeah, these are all the info types. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
if you here in the info type, you can use the info type number also directly. For example, if I see if I want to see the address details, just I can use the number 6 here and press enter.
Okay.
Okay, address will come automatically description. And
Okay.
if you
Should I
click
give
on
subtype
display
also?
here,
Mm.
subtype, if for example if they maintain, then we need to give.
Okay.
If they don't maintain, then it's not required. But let's see
How do you
whether
know?
we have data or not.
How do you know subtype maintenance is not maintained? How do you know?
Yeah, I will tell you. See here, if you click on subtype here,
Mm.
if there is either F4 help, here you will get all the details, right? Permanent address, emergency address. If they maintain like that, then you can create the address for emergency. You can create the address for permanent residence, temporary residence.
Okay.
Okay. So if we have these options, then they have maintained subtypes.
Okay.
Okay. For example,
So this
PA,
address the info
just I'm
type
giving
there
a,
is no subtype.
actually now I'm going to create address with
Okay.
subtype. I'm trying to show you the scenario.
Okay.
For creating like maintaining master data, the T code is PA30. Okay.
Okay.
Do you
Yeah.
know PA30?
No, I don't.
I will note that one
Can you
also.
record this call?
Yes, already I think this call is in
No,
recording mode.
not.
No,
No. I think you have to
no,
give
no. Aditi
permission.
already started the recording. Actually,
Oh,
Aditi already
Aditi.
started the recording this one.
Okay.
Yeah, yeah,
So after finish the call, there is.
yeah. You can ask her and yeah. T codes in personal administration, SAP PM. Okay.
Okay.
So PA20 is for display HR master data.
Okay.
And PA30 is for maintaining, like we can say
Okay.
change maintain. Want to change maintain, or you can also say like create also, for creation, anything maintaining, creating. Okay.
Okay.
And we have other T code PA40. PA40 is for personal actions.
Hmm.
Okay. For about PA40, I will tell you later, because you need to understand about PA20 and PA30. Then
Okay.
we can discuss about PA40, because PA40 is, you can understand only when you understand these info type related information, and PA20, PA30. Then only you can understand about this PA30, PA40.
Okay.
So I think yesterday I saw you are can you put in slash in, like you are going have any doubt on that, like going and typing into the going into the T code, like main screen, and
Wage
if
type.
you have any doubt I will tell you.
Yeah, wage type still I
No,
have
no,
doubt.
no, slash in, no, no,
Slash
not
and
waste time. I'm telling you about this slash. You are pressing, when I saw yesterday, you are trying to enter the T code with slash and slash o. You know the concept, right? Slash and slash o.
slash wo, it will open same window.
Yeah.
Slash and open new window.
No, no, that is a reverse. Slash o is a new window. Slash n is in the same. Okay.
Same window. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We are going into the PA30 session. Okay. PA30.
Okay.
PA30 here we maintain HR master data. For
Okay.
example, here you have to give the personal number, employee number here. Okay.
Hmm.
Go here, go to the F4 help, check here. There are three
Hmm.
employees are there. They have maintained
Okay.
three employees. So I am taking one employee. Employee
Hmm.
personal number is 2. Okay.
Okay.
And here we have the employee name, employee group, personal area, employee subgroup. I will tell about all these details later. Okay. Now we'll
Okay.
concentrate on the info type concepts only. Okay.
Okay.
So I'm going to the address.
Hmm.
I'm giving the subtype, taking the permanent residence. On here we have create option.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh. Hmm.
So when you click on create, so it will ask the date. For example, I give the date, like for example 01, today's date 26/10/2020.
Okay.
And here your name, post box number, street house number, building code, ID, and district, region, postal, all these details, country, you will fill all the employee related details here.
Okay.
Okay. I am giving the name, like
Hmm.
and any information. You can select the country key also. He will, the employee belongs to which country, so we can mention that one also here.
Okay.
So basically, whatever details the employee will give, right? So all these details we will maintain here. His telephone number also, everything
Okay.
we can maintain
Okay.
here. And then
PA30.
uh, yes, then click on save.
Okay.
See here, record created. The message has come, record created. Okay.
Okay.
When you want to see the created data, here we have the option called display.
Okay.
Click on display. So this is the whatever we have created data, right? It will show in a display format.
Oh.
Here we have the, if you want to do any modifications,
Mm.
then we have the change option here. Okay, click on change if you want to add like any other details. So in that case we will use change option. Okay, so I have
Oh.
added the postal code, city code here. Then
Ah.
click enter, save your entries, and we are saving.
Can you repeat
Record
again?
change.
Uh,
Yeah, click on
Okay.
change.
Change.
If you want to change any other data, for example street and house number is like you want to add some other
Okay. And
code.
okay.
Yeah, so
Got
not only this code, if you want to add
it.
new one
Whatever
also.
you want. Okay.
Yeah, whatever. If you want to save, directly click
Change.
on save.
Mm. Okay.
Record is changed message will come.
Change. Okay.
Okay, if you want to display, so this is the data we have created. If you want to just view
Okay.
the employee
Okay.
address details.
Okay. This
And
data will be storing in master data.
master data, yes,
Yeah.
very good. So I will show you that one also. So before that, I want to tell you about the option. This is a create, this is a change, this is a display. And
Display.
if you want to delete particular record, you can also use this option, delete.
Okay. If you want to delete entire uh, data, how?
Yeah, yeah. So for example, let me, so click on delete here.
Mm-hmm.
It will show the created employee
Yes.
address details. Now click on delete here
Okay.
directly. Click on delete
Okay.
here, then it will directly delete the data. Record
Okay.
deleted.
If you want to
Okay, good.
delete particular data,
Yeah,
only
I will
one
tell you
method.
that one also. Yeah, I will show you. So let me create again. I'm giving just test one.
Okay.
Okay, postal 123 street. Okay, I'm creating, saving.
Okay. So, mm,
So again, I'm going with the other address, for example, emergency address. Okay.
emergency. Okay.
Yeah, I have taken from F4 help
That's fine.
here,
Yes.
and now I am creating the emergency address. So see, sometimes if you, it will ask for the mandatory fields. Enter
Yes.
the postal code, because for
Okay.
emergency, for emergency address, functional people have configured that this is mandatory.
Yeah. Postal code and district code. Yeah. Right.
Yeah. Yes. View that one. See, it is asking must
Yeah.
have length of 5
10.
characters.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. Now it is
Okay.
saying ready to save your entries. Okay. Now
Okay.
I am
Oh,
clicking on save. So record created. Now I will show you the two records in
okay.
master data. Go to SC11. Okay.
Uh,
Now give the database table PA0006.
Six. Actually, we have created 30, right?
Yeah. We have saved, right?
Okay. 006.
I will show you.
Personal data.
Yeah. 006 is address. Now, just now we have created address details. Right?
Yes.
If you want to see all the records here, here we have option two hills and sun. This is the overview option. Okay.
Okay.
If you click here, we have created the details of emergency address.
Okay.
Okay. will show in info type 6. If you go here and give the employee number here. So what is the employee number we are taking? 2. See here for the personal number, employee number 2, we have these details.
Yes.
One subtype 1, subtype 4. You got it. So we
Yes.
can view all the records here. So whatever the information we have given, start date, end date, the name of the employee, and also other details. I will tell you. Converting grid display. This is the better one, grid display. Yeah. See here. This is the
Yes.
today's date, right? We have created 26/10/2021 with
Yes.
subtype
4
1
and 1.
and 4 and 1. This is the other, some other user has created first one. Okay.
Yeah.
So we have created this record and this record, last two
Yes.
records.
Yes.
Okay. And here we will see the when it was created. This field AEDTM is there, right?
Yes.
So this is created when it was created, the created date, and who is the
Username.
username. This is the
Yes.
username. Yeah. And also other details like you can see here. What is
Name.
the name of the employee and also
Employee.
postal code, city code, country code, whatever details we have entered in PA30
Yeah.
front end screen. So all those details will be stored here.
Okay.
Okay. So if you want to know the field names, like this is the field name, right? Actually, so want to see the description. What is the
Hmm.
description of this one? Then how we will come to know? We go to the settings,
Okay.
user parameters. Here we have option called field label.
Okay.
You click on field label here, continue.
Okay.
See here, personal number, start date, end date, changed on,
Okay.
changed by. And
Hmm.
if you come here, you can see the description here, like see here, care of street, city,
Okay.
district. If you want to know
Okay.
like which field describes what is the description, then we need to change like that. Okay, remember settings,
Settings. User
user
parameters.
parameters, field name.
Field name.
Field
Okay.
name and field label. I will note that in the document also. Okay. T code is
Zero
SC11.
06. S11.
Code
Okay.
SC11, and there you go for PA006.
6.
Any info type. Okay. You
Okay.
can
Okay.
check
Any
for
info type
any
we
info
need
type.
to go SC level.
Yeah. Yes. So here we have the option settings, user
User
parameters,
parameters. Labels are fields.
menu, settings,
User parameters.
parameters.
Select labels are fields.
Yeah. So in the we will have the pop-up.
Yeah.
There we need to select field name, field description.
Okay.
Field name and field label.
Field label.
Okay.
Yeah.
Field label. Label. If you want a label, you can select. If you want name, name. Okay.
No.
And you know how to come to here, right? This one, how to display the data. Okay.
Yes.
Give the info type name. Click on
Display.
display.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Then from here we have option called here entries, contents.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Do you want me to note it down this option also? Contents.
Yeah. In that.
Okay. For example, AC11, PA006, and then we have contents. Okay. Click on contents icon. Click on contents icon. Okay.
Okay.
If you click on contents icon, then we'll come to know the selection screen. Okay. Here
Okay.
you have to give the personal number.
Two.
For example, if you want to give particular personal number, you can give. Otherwise, if you want to see all the personal numbers, then
Mm.
don't give the personal number here. Click on directly
Just
execute.
X.
Yeah, only a few personal numbers are they have created. Only
Okay.
for address details, they have not maintained address
Mm.
details. Only two.
Yeah.
Okay.
Now, how to delete single record?
Yeah, I will show you. So here we have the period option. Remember that you always select all here,
Oh, yes.
because so whatever records created in the previous dates, all those records will be shown here. By
Okay.
default, SAP will show you from 18 to 100 year. This is the
Okay.
standard one, 01,
Mm.
01, 1800 to ended date
Two.
31st 12 999. This is
Okay.
standard one.
Mm.
So whatever records created in between these two dates, all those
That's the
records will
last
be
one.
showed in here.
Mm. Sure.
Yeah. Click on overview. So it is showing only one. Wait. So you have to remove the subtype 4 we have given, right? So it is showing only one. You have to remove that, because address we have so many. See here, now we have all
Mm.
the records. Okay.
Yes.
It is subtype 1. This is earlier some
Okay.
other person created. We have created these
We
two.
have two.
Okay.
Yes.
If you want to delete the particular record, then
Mm.
select that record and delete here.
Okay.
You click on delete, it will show you in are you ready to delete, and if you want to delete, and click on delete here.
Okay.
So it will be deleted, the record
Yeah.
deleted.
That.
Okay.
Mm.
So basically this overview option will show you whatever how many records are there, all those details will be showed here in the overview screen.
Okay.
And here we have the copy option also, copy option, and delimit option also. I will
Yeah.
tell you about this copy option and delete option later. Okay, you
Delimit
can
me.
delimit means, for example, delimit means that is the cutoff date.
Hello? Hello?
Yeah, yeah. Now you can hear me, right?
Yes, yes, I can.
Yeah. This option sometimes it's not working actually. So, for example, if you have a date 01/01/2021, okay,
Okay.
and this is the end date.
And 27, 10,
Yeah, for example,
10.
30/06/2021.
Hmm.
Okay.
Okay.
1 minute. I'll come back. Okay.
Okay. I
Hello.
didn't get repeat again.
Yeah, just give me 2 minutes break.
Okay,
I will
okay.
come back.
Okay.
Yeah. Hello.
Yeah.
Yeah. Delimit means, for example, if we have a date like 01/01/2021, 30/06/2021. Okay. For
Hmm.
example, the employee created the record, created another record. Okay.
Okay.
Record, like start date as 15th of 15th of June, let's say. Okay.
Hmm.
Okay.
Okay.
So if an employee tries to create the record, because actually this 15th of June already exists here. Okay.
Okay.
01/01/2021 to 30/06/2021.
Hmm.
Okay. So if the employee created other record, this one 15/06/2021. So in this case, what will happen? So it falls in between, right?
Okay.
15/06 falls in between these two dates, right?
Right.
So if you, then in that case, how SAP will treat that, right? First record will be 01/01/2021 to
Okay.
14th/06/2021.
Okay.
Okay, and the other record from 15/06/2021 to
29.
30/06/2021. Okay.
How if suppose first record is before 15th,
Hmm.
it took, right?
Yeah.
But here 30, this 29 should be come, right?
No. So 15th means if employees created the new record 15th, then it will create the record from 15th.
Okay.
So whatever this is the newly created record, right? 15. What is the previous date for this 14? 14/06/2021. So it will split. If you
Oh,
observe
oh,
this 15/06 and 14/06, this one,
okay. Okay. Right.
it will be split. For
Okay.
example, we will see now more examples. I will show you. For example, the date is, let's say, 15th April 2021. The end date is, assume that this is start date, okay? This one is start date.
Okay.
This is the end date. For example, the start date is like this, 15th 04 2021, and the end date is, for example, 31st December 2021. Okay.
Hmm.
Okay, if the employee created the other record, for example, let's say 21st of June 2021. Okay.
Oh.
Sinu, are you there?
Yes, yes, sir.
Yeah. See, for example, we have the start date like this, 15th of April to 31st of December 2021. If the
Okay.
employee created the other record, 21st 01 06 2021, what will happen? So this date falls in this between, right?
Yes. Yes.
Falls in these two dates between, right? So in that case, what will happen? First record will be 15th 04 2021 to 20 06 2021.
Okay.
Here we have 2106 2021 to 31st 1 to 2021.
Understood.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. So
I
this
got.
is the newly created record. So it will split with the just one day before, it will be splitted with this start date.
Okay.
So this is the delimit concept.
Okay.
So we will see more and more examples on this delimit concept. Okay. So now if you go to here, so for example, we have created address, right? On
Yes.
which date?
Hmm.
26/10/2021. Okay.
Hmm.
So now we will try to delimit. Okay.
Okay.
So if you click on this delimit,
Hmm.
so it will ask for delimitation date.
Okay.
Okay. For example, I will give you first of
But,
November 2021.
okay.
Okay.
Hmm.
So this is a delimited date. Sorry, November. Right? It should fall in between.
Okay.
Continue. So it will ask for which record we need to delimit. For example, if I take this one,
Uh-huh.
I will select this one,
Ah.
delimited day.
Ah.
Error occurred when delimiting records. Actually, you can do one more way, like also, for example, uh, click on create.
Um,
For example, if you view the day, you can also view the dates here.
okay.
01/11/2021. Okay, and give the address also. Postal code. Postal code must have 5 digits. So if you go to the backend, see here.
Yeah.
Here the record 01, 11, 20, 21 from onwards, it was created the new record. Before that, it was splitted 31st 10 2021. Start date is this one. Did you get that point? 26 10 2021 to 31 10 2021. Okay. Earlier,
Can you
what you have created 26. Yeah. Earlier, what we have created record. Earlier, what we have 26 10 2020. We
November,
have
right?
created this recorded with
November.
no. Just at the beginning of the session, we have created
Okay.
record with 26 10 2021 to. I am telling the original record. Okay.
Okay.
Original record 26. Today's date, today's or yesterday date I have given.
Okay.
By default, it is 31st 12 999.
Okay.
Okay. So
Okay.
now what is the other record, delimited record I have given? November I have given 01 11 2021, right?
Yes.
So now what will happen? System will 26 10 2021 to what is the
2021
end
to
date is? What will happen? End date is
31,
31 10
12,
20.
10.
Okay. If you go to here, it is 01 11 2021 to
11,
so the
31, 12.
end date. End
Yeah.
date. Okay. So it will split it like this. If you see here, first record 26 10 2021 to 31 10 2021, right?
Yes.
26 10 to 31 10 2021.
Okay.
And then the second one is 01 11 2021 to 31st 12 999.
Yeah.
So the system will automatically adjust based
Yes.
on the date. Just we need
Yeah.
to give the date only. System will automatically will create the record.
Yes.
Okay. So and we have the copy option also. For example, uh, we want to copy particular. For example, here we have copy option, right?
Yes.
If you click on copy, then it will copy the
Okay.
latest previous record. Okay. See,
Okay.
it will copy that record. If you want to modify, for, for example, if you can give some 90 building
Mhm.
code, if you want to create some other building code, okay, and you want to give from year 2022, for example.
Okay.
Okay. So basically, just in order to save our time, we'll click on copy, and so all these details will be remain same. Just I added this one and this one details. Okay, in
Okay.
order to save the time. So we can also do like this also. Then click on save.
This would be second, it means second record, right? Second screen.
Second screen means
No, if you want to change the record, so we can go to change option. If you want to any records
yes,
change, why should
yes.
go for copies?
Why should go for copy means in order to save our time. For example, if you click on create, if you want to create new record, create and
Oh,
copy both are same. Okay.
create and copy. Okay.
In
Okay.
create option, we will see all these are blank.
Yeah. Blank.
We have to enter the details again.
Okay.
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 In case of copy, what will happen? So we will get those previous details,
Okay.
like previous
Same
record
records
details.
details will be showing. If you want to
Will
change
be
it, you can.
showing, and if you want to do change and if you want to add additional more fields, you can also add here.
So the previous
Okay.
records
And if
will
you
be
want to,
stored already in database,
yeah,
right?
already stored. Yeah,
Okay.
already stored. Yes,
Okay.
already stored in the database. From the database itself, it will show the previous latest record here, these details.
Okay.
And you can change the date also here. In order to just
Okay.
save the time, for example, in this screen, you see only some fields only, because in some other screen, there are so many fields are
So
there,
many
so many
fields, right?
tabs are there.
Yeah.
So in
Understood.
order to save time, we can click on copy and do whatever required, like start date, end date, and other address details.
Okay.
Okay.
Nothing impact on previous records, right? If you click on copy,
No,
nothing
no,
impact.
nothing will impact.
Okay.
Yeah. It's basically copy is nothing but we are creating the record with the previous details showing in the screen. That's it.
Okay.
No
I thought
impact.
it's impact on previous records.
No, no, no.
Oh,
So,
okay.
for example, I will show you that scenario once. For example, in the database, we have see here this personal number. How many details we have? We have two details here, 1 and 4 subtype. Okay.
Yes. Yes.
You can click on copy by selecting the particular record
Mm-hmm.
and whatever you want. But
Okay.
basically, system what it will do when I click on copy,
Mm.
copy the permanent address subtype. So
Okay.
what it is showing, Smith yes, this
Yes.
one
Yes.
three five seven
Yes.
nine zero.
Seven
It
zero. Okay.
will showing the details of the permanent residence. If you go to the
Okay.
backend database table,
Uh,
here we have, see this one 137570,
yeah.
the latest
Okay.
related details. It is just to show you
Yes.
what is the start date. It is 01/01/2021,
Yeah.
31st 12/99, the previous record.
Yes.
Okay. So if you want to change this one,
Okay.
you can change. Like you want to change from 01/05/2021.
Mm.
Just I am giving this one to just for, okay. So
Mm.
this is the date I am giving, 01/05 from May onwards I have created. Okay.
Yeah.
Now I am
Okay.
clicking on save.
Same.
So this is record created.
Okay.
So when you come to the refresh the backend database table,
Mm.
see other record created.
Yeah. Fine.
I have created
Right.
from May, right, 01/05 with Smith
Yes.
S2,
Yes.
some other details. In order to save time, again I
Yeah.
need to enter 13579, again Smith, again
Yes.
34689. So in order to save time, we will do the copy.
Yes. Okay.
Okay, just go through all these topics once. Okay,
Okay.
all these
Okay.
options of like PA20, PA30. Okay, I
Okay.
will end the session on today. Okay,
Okay.
go through all these options in your system. If you have any query, just let me know. Okay,
Yeah. Okay.
so in a PA30 we have shown create option.
change, maintenance, creation.
change, right?
Yes.
Delete, delete we have seen, and also copy we have seen, right? And
Yes.
also delimit also, right?
Yeah. Delete,
All
copy,
these,
delete,
and we have the overview option also.
overview.
Overview,
Yes.
overview
So
option.
this all are
And other
important.
thing,
They would ask in
yeah,
interview.
these are all important.
Okay.
Yeah, because not only in interview, if you have any assignment object in the project, if you want to see the data, employee data,
Mm.
address details, if you want to change some other details from the program, you need to understand these concepts first.
Yeah. Create, edit, display,
Then
copy,
only we will come to know.
delete, delete, overview.
Yeah, we have the display also, right here. Yeah,
Yeah. Create,
display also,
delete, copy, change, overview.
display also. Okay, all these options, and make
Okay.
sure that in the period better to select all here. Don't forget this, because if you don't select this and you select on period,
Hmm.
it will not show all the records. Okay.
Okay. Okay.